Welcome back to the continuation of our thrilling journey through the past and present. Make sure to catch up on part 1 if you haven't already. So let's get started. In the first image from today, we see the St-Gervais-Et-St-Protais church in a dilapidated state after World War I in 1918, while in the second image, captured in 2017, it is evident that the church has been restored and is once again in use. This contrast between the past and present offers insight into the process of restoration and preservation of cultural monuments over time. In the second image from today, captured in 2017, the St. Matthew Evangelical Church in Łódź, Poland, continues to radiate its timeless elegance and charm, showcasing its impeccable condition despite the passage of decades since its construction in 1937. In the third image captured in 2005, we witness the Palais Großen Garten in Dresden, Germany, retaining its timeless charm and architectural grandeur over a span of 105 years. Despite the passage of time, the Palais stands as a symbol of enduring elegance, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of Dresden. This is now the fourth image in our video, Kjeåsen Railway Bridge, Kjeåsen, Norway, spanning from 1927 to 2008. In both snapshots, we witness the timeless beauty of the waterway beneath the Kjeåsen Railway Bridge. However, as we transition to the contemporary view, subtle improvements and modernization efforts become apparent, illustrating the ongoing evolution and enhancement of this picturesque landscape. This is now the fifth image in our video, Paris, France, spanning from 1900 to 2017. In these images, we witness the serene flow of the river, the majestic presence of the bridge, and the bustling activity of boats passing beneath it. Remarkably, despite the 117-year interval between the two snapshots, everything appears remarkably similar and impeccably preserved, highlighting the enduring beauty and timeless appeal of Paris throughout the ages. In today's sixth image, we see Nowomiejska Street in Łódź, Poland, captured in 1874, evolving through to 2016. Across these images, we track the street's evolution over 142 years, from its humble beginnings to the vibrant urban thoroughfare it became by 2016. This is a tale of architecture, transportation, and daily life transformation, where the street retains its character, blending historical charm with modern vitality. In today's seventh image, we observe the evolution of Osnabrück Central Railway Station in Germany, from 1965 to 2015. Over the span of 50 years, we witnessed the station's transformation from a bustling hub captured in 1965 to the modernized and dynamic transportation center depicted in 2015. This journey showcases changes in infrastructure, technology, and the flow of commuters. Despite the passage of time, the station retains its significance as a crucial link in the region's transportation network, embodying a harmonious blend of history and progress. In today's eighth image, we delve into the evolution of Osnabrück, Germany, spanning from 1904 to 2016. Over the course of 112 years, we witnessed the city's metamorphosis from the early 20th century to the modern era. From the quaint charm of 1904 to the bustling vitality of 2016, these images depict the transformation of architecture, infrastructure, and daily life. Despite the temporal divide, Osnabrück retains its distinctive character, seamlessly blending its rich historical legacy with contemporary vigor. In today's ninth image, we explore the transformation of Marchand Street in Poznan, Poland, spanning from 1945 to 2017. Over a period of 72 years, we witnessed the street's evolution from the post-war era captured in 1945 to the dynamic urban landscape portrayed in 2017. Through these images, we observe changes in architecture, infrastructure, and the rhythm of daily life. Despite the passage of time, Marchand Street remains a bustling thoroughfare, symbolizing the resilience and adaptability of Poznan's cityscape amidst the changing tides of history. In today's 10th image, we delve into the evolution of Hammerfest, Norway, spanning from 1889 to 2004. Over a span of 115 years, we witnessed the city's transformation from the late 19th century to the turn of the millennium. From the quaint charm of 1889 to the modernized landscape of 2004, these images showcase changes in architecture, infrastructure, and the fabric of daily life. Despite the temporal divide, Hammerfest preserves its distinct character, embodying a harmonious blend of historical legacy and contemporary advancement. In today's 11th image, we explore the transformation of the Reichstag in Germany, spanning from 1945 to 2012. Over a span of 67 years, we witnessed the building's evolution from the aftermath of World War II captured in 1945 to the modernized landmark depicted in 2012. Through these images, we observe changes in architecture, restoration efforts, and the enduring historical significance of the Reichstag. Despite the passage of time, it stands as a symbol of resilience, reflecting Germany's path from devastation to reunification and democracy. In today's 12th image, we delve into the juxtaposition of transportation modes at Mont Saint-Michel, France, spanning from 1908 to 2016. Over the course of 108 years, we witnessed the transition from a horse-drawn cart in 1908 to a steam locomotive in 2016. These images illustrate the evolution of transportation technology and methods over the past century. Despite the changes, Mont Saint-Michel maintains its enduring appeal, harmonizing historical traditions with modern advancements. In today's 13th image, we explore the evolution of the iconic Moulin Rouge in Paris, France, spanning from 1900 to 2016. Over the course of 116 years, we witnessed the transformation of this historic landmark. From the vibrant atmosphere of the Belle Époque captured in 1900 to the modernized facade depicted in 2016, these images reflect changes in architecture, entertainment, and cultural significance. Despite the passage of time, the Moulin Rouge retains its status as a symbol of Parisian glamour and artistic expression, continuing to enchant audiences with its rich history and timeless allure. In today's 14th image, we delve into the haunting transformation of Pripyat, Ukraine, spanning from 1986 to 2016. Over the course of 30 years, we witnessed the aftermath of the Chernobyl disaster, which left the once bustling city frozen in time. From the desolate streets reclaimed by nature in 1986 to the eerie abandonment captured in 2016, these images serve as a stark reminder of the enduring impact of the tragedy. Despite the passage of time, Pripyat stands as a somber testament to the fragility of human civilization and the indomitable force of nature. In today's 15th image, we explore the transformation of the corner of Ratajaka and SW Marchand streets in Poznan, Poland, spanning from 1945 to 2017. Over a span of 72 years, we witnessed the evolution of this intersection from post-war reconstruction to a bustling urban scene. These images showcase changes in architecture, infrastructure, and daily life, highlighting Poznan's resilience and growth as a modern European city. Despite the passage of time, this intersection remains a vibrant hub of activity, embodying the city's rich history and dynamic spirit. In today's 16th image, we embark on a journey to St-Gervais-Et-St-Protais Gorge in Odda, Norway, spanning from 1887 to 2014. Over 127 years, we witnessed the timeless beauty of this natural wonder, from its rugged appearance in 1887 to the serene vista captured in 2014. Despite the passage of time, St-Gervais-Et-St-Protais continues to stand as a testament to the enduring power and majesty of nature, enchanting visitors with its awe-inspiring scenery and tranquil atmosphere. In today's 17th image, we venture into the timeless charm of Ristad, Norway, spanning from 1888 to 2013. Over a span of 125 years, we witnessed the village's enduring allure, from the quaint scene captured in 1888 to the picturesque landscape of 2013. Throughout the years, Ristad has maintained its rural charm and natural beauty, captivating visitors with its idyllic surroundings and serene ambience. Despite the passage of time, the essence of Ristad remains unchanged, offering a glimpse into Norway's rich cultural heritage and pristine landscapes. In today's 18th image, we delve into the evolution of the Martin Luther statue in Dresden, Germany, spanning from 1958 to 2014. Over a span of 56 years, we witnessed the transformation of this iconic monument, from its unveiling in 1958 to its enduring presence in 2014. Through these images, the Martin Luther statue emerges as a symbol of cultural and historical significance, representing the enduring legacy of the Protestant Reformation in German history and culture. Despite the passage of time, its significance remains steadfast, serving as a reminder of the enduring impact of Martin Luther's legacy on the world stage.